Hey Plant Fam, it's Peyton from the Standard Design Group and welcome to our latest tutorial on creating a decomposed granite pathway. Decomposed granite, or DG, is a great material to use for pathways in your garden. It's durable, affordable, and provides a natural rustic look that's perfect for any outdoor space. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a DG pathway so you can enhance the beauty and functionality of your landscape. But before we get started, let's talk about the tools and materials you'll need for this project. You'll need a shovel, a wheelbarrow, a rake, a level, a plate compactor, weed mat, landscape fabric pins or staples, gravel, and decomposed granite. The first step in creating a DG pathway is to plan out the area where it will be installed. You'll need to measure the length and width of the pathway and determine the desired depth of the DG. A good rule of thumb to use is a depth of about 2 to 3 inches for a standard foot traffic pathway, or 4 to 6 for a driveway or heavy traffic areas. Once you have your measurements, mark out the pathway with stakes and string, and remove any grass or vegetation in the area. You'll want to make sure the pathway is level, so use a level and a rake to create a smooth surface. You may want to consider adding a layer of crushed gravel or rock dust underneath the DG. This will help create a stable base and improve drainage. Simply spread the crushed gravel over the weed mat and use a rake to create an even surface. Then, it's time to spread the DG over the base layer. Use a shovel or a wheelbarrow to spread the DG evenly across the surface, and then use a level or a rake to create a smooth, even layer. Make sure to compact the DG as you go, using a hand tamper or a plate compactor to ensure a stable and durable pathway. Next, you'll need to order the DG and have it delivered to your location. Typically, it's sold by the cubic yard, so make sure you order enough to cover the entire pathway at your desired depth. Always better to order extra. Here's a pro tip for you. After you've compacted the DG, it's a good idea to wet it down with a hose. This will help settle the DG to create more of a solid surface. It's important to wet it evenly and thoroughly, so be careful not to overdo it. When using a plate compactor, it's important to wear eye protection, as the machine can be quite loud. You'll also want to make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and maintenance. To use a plate compactor, simply start the engine, place the machine at the edge of the pathway, and slowly move it back and forth over the surface. The weight of the machine will help to compress the DG and create a stable, solid surface. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional DG pathway for your landscape. With just a few steps, you can enhance the look and usability of your outdoor space. Thanks for joining me today, and happy landscaping.